This is Hydrosketch using templates tutorial 12. Hydrosketch has implemented a new feature that uses template drawings to accelerate user productivity. Templates are Hydrosketch drawings of typical hydronic schematics. These templates provide a great starting point for most hydronic schematics. Templates can be modified, saved, like any other Hydrosketch drawing. Here's a demonstration about how to use templates in Hydrosketch. When Hydrosketch comes up, the templates will show at your startup screen within Hydrosketch, and as you can see a graphics of each of the templates. You can also scroll through the templates. There are a total of 7 templates currently. In order to activate or use one of these templates, just pick on Import the Drawing Canvas. I'll pick the second one, number 2, template number 2. And now we're into let me adjust this a second. Now we've brought up within Hydrosketch, we're in the drawing, and it shows the name here. If you want to change the name of this particular drawing because you want to really use this as a template for one of your own drawings, I'll pull down and say Save As. You type in the new name, we'll call it Test 1. And now you're in this new drawing called Test 1, and you can now change, modify whatever you like in this drawing, and save it as your new drawing. The use of templates can greatly enhance a user's productivity in making drawings that are very similar to typical hydronic drawings